Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common issue for Python coders, Jupyter Notebook not running code. It can be super frustrating when your notebook gets stuck. Let's explore some reasons why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix them. So, if you're seeing that in without any output, stick around. First, let's talk about the most basic problem, the kernel. Is your kernel running? The kernel is the engine that executes your Python code. If it's dead or disconnected, nothing will happen. Check the top right corner of your Jupyter Notebook interface. It should indicate the kernel status. If it says idle or has a green circle, the kernel is likely running. If it says busy or has a filled circle, it may be processing something. If it shows anything else, like disconnected, you need to reconnect. You can do this by going to the kernel menu and selecting Reconnect or Restart. Restarting is often the best option as it clears the current state and starts fresh. Next, consider if your code has errors. Even a small syntax error can prevent your code from running. Look closely at your code. Check for typos, missing parentheses, or incorrect indentation. Python is very sensitive to these things. If you suspect an error, try running your code in smaller chunks. This can help pinpoint the exact line causing the problem. For example, instead of running a lone cell of code, break it into several smaller cells. Run each one individually. This way, if one cell fails, you'll know exactly where the problem lies. Another common issue is a busy kernel. Sometimes, your code might be stuck in an infinite loop or a very long computation. This can make it seem like the notebook is frozen. Check your code for any potential loops that might not be terminating. Consider adding print statements within your loops to see if they are running as expected. You can also try interrupting the kernel. Go to the kernel menu and select Interrupt. This will attempt to stop the current execution. If that doesn't work, you might need to restart the kernel. Insufficient resources, like memory, can also cause problems. If you are working with large datasets, your computer might be running out of memory. Close other applications to free up resources. You can also try restarting your computer. This will clear the memory and give Jupyter Notebook a fresh start. Finally, outdated packages can cause conflicts. Make sure you have the latest versions of your Python packages, especially ipkernel. Use pip install upgrade ipkernel in your terminal or Anaconda prompt to update it. After upgrading, restart your kernel. Sometimes, it is necessary to restart Jupyter Notebook or your computer entirely to apply the changes. If the problem persists, try creating a new Jupyter Notebook. Sometimes, the notebook file itself can become corrupted. Copy your code into the new notebook and see if it runs there. So, those are some common reasons and solutions when your Jupyter Notebook isn't running code. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this.